Combination padlocks are what students depend on to protect their lockers from thieves and pranksters. Combo locks are functional, yet fashionable. Like everything else marketed to teenagers these days, they come in a variety of trendy colors and designs. The combination lock's main locking mechanism is called the base plate. It's comprised of 7 components. That black piece, called the lock bolt, is what slides over to free the shackle when someone dials the correct combination. They rivet the base plate components into place so the lock will stand up to repeated use. Here are those components before assembly and after. They secure the assembled base plate into the casing. Then they install the trip lever spring. It's what automatically scrambles the mechanism every time the lock is closed. They fit the shackle through holes in the casing, positioning one end against the trip lever. They fasten the other side with a tiny steel bar called a yoke. The lock's combination function is made up of 3 stacked discs called tumblers. Here, the first 2 go in. Next, they grease the shackle so it'll slide in and out easily. Sometimes they customize the face of the lock. Those number dials used to come in just boring standard issue steel. Today, they can have colorful designs, even a school's logo. The printing machine uses a 4-color printing process, applying 1 color at a time. The painted dials get 2 coats of clear varnish to harden and protect the paint. While that's happening, other workers assemble the dial components. First, they take the indicator button and attach it to the dial. Then they take the 3rd tumbler and rivet it to the back of the dial. This tumbler will control the movement of the 2 other tumblers inside the lock's casing. All 3 tumblers have V-shaped indentations. The correct combination aligns those V's, allowing the lock bolt to slide over and free the shackle. Each tumbler has a code number stamped on the back. The number corresponds to the location of its indentation. They program each lock's 3 tumbler codes into a computer. The computer then randomly creates a combination that will align the 3 indentations. There are more than 50,000 possible combinations. The system prints the combination on a sticker, along with a barcode. The barcode is programmed into a central computer where it's recorded with the lock's serial number. The guts of the combination lock are finished. Now it's time for the final assembly. They put the dial onto the casing. Then a forming tool presses down on the casing's rim, folding it tightly over the dial. A computer-guided machine then engraves a serial number on each lock. Some factories do random quality control checks, but this company verifies each and every combination lock by hand. That's quite the procedure, considering this plant produces more than 10,000 locks a day. You can bet somebody's got pretty sore fingers by quitting time.